Hello everyone, welcome to UGC NetGate Studios. In this video, we'll see a question which was asked in the June 2020 exam, UGC NET exam on cryptography. So it is basically a part of computer network security. So let us see the question. Using RSA public key crypto system, if P equal to 3, key equal to 11 and D equal to 7, find the value of E and encrypt the number 19. So it is basically under the concept of network security. So where we have to encrypt a message, send it, and on the receiver side the receiver will decrypt the message. So it is basically on that concept of RSA public key crypto system. So RSA is basically the full form, means it is on the name of three scientists, Rivest, Hamir and Adleman. So here we have the question on RSA public key crypto system. So first let us basically understand the algorithm of RSA, that how we will solve the question. So these are a fixed number of steps which never change. So let us say we have P and Q. So in RSA algorithm we have to choose two prime numbers P and Q, and then we have to calculate n, which is equal to P into Q, and phi of n. The phi of n calculation is P minus 1 into Q minus 1. So basically P and Q we have to choose as two prime numbers, and now D into E, we have two parameters D and E. So basically the parameter E is used while encrypting the plain text, and the parameter D is used while encryption of the ciphertext. So E is used while encrypting the plain text and D is used while decrypting the ciphertext. Means suppose we have the plain text. So basically here I am saying, see, we have the plain text. So the parameter E will be used, so it will be converted into the ciphertext. Ciphertext basically the message which means unauthorized user cannot understand. So plain text, if I use the parameter E, it will be converted to the ciphertext, and again at the receiver side on using the parameter D, it will be converted back to the plain text again. So what is basically the plain text? The plain text is the original message which we want to send from the sender side to the destination side. So the formula is D into E modulus of phi n is equal to 1. So you must be knowing the mod operator. Modulus is reminder. So in basically the mod operator we while division. So if we have normal division, we write the quotient. So we write the quotient as the answer, and if we have modular division, we write the remainder as the answer. Okay. So now let us solve this question. So we have to find, so it has asked to find E. We have been given the value of D and E. So we are basically using this formula, that is D into E mod phi n equal to 1. Now we know phi of n equal to P minus 1 into Q minus 1. So P we have 3 and Q we have 11. Q has 11. So 3 minus 1 is 2 and Q minus 1, 11 minus 1 is 10. So it is 20. Now D we have 7. So 7 into E mod phi of n is 20 equal to 1. So now at this point we can have several values of E. Now let us take the option. So if we go through the option, so it will generally save our time. It will save our time a lot, because we have limited amount of time in the paper, and on a single question we cannot have, means we should not spend more than 2 minutes to 2 to 3 minutes in this type of question which are having a fixed number of steps. So let us see from the option. You can see that basically this C option has, this is the value of E this side, and this side is the value of the conversion after the number 19, means after encryption of the number 19, the value we have this side. So basically we have 3 here and we have 28 here. So in case of 3, if I put the value of E as 3, so 7 into E as 3 mod 20. So basically we know 7 3s are 21. If I divide it by 20, because we have mod 20 here, if I put 1, the remainder will be 1. So which is equal to the RHS. Okay. So basically the value of E which I am getting is 3, that is E equal to 3. So now we can eliminate all the options, because there is 3 is nowhere here. So you can eliminate all the options, and the correct answer will be option C. Now suppose in more than one option 3 would be present. So in that case we have to calculate the value of the number 19. So we have to encrypt it. So ciphertext is the ciphertext value What is the formula? It is plain text to the power e modulus of n. So plain text we have the number as 19. So it is the plain text 19 to the power e. E we have 3 mod of n. So now what is basically n? So n is, I said n is p into q. So now let us see. So n equal to p into q. P is 3 and 11, q is 11. So 3 into 11, which is equal to 33. So we have 19 cube mod 33. Now 19 to the power 3 mod 33, you do the calculation part, and generally if you do the calculation part, 19 to the power 3 and modulus with 33, that is calculating the remainder, so we'll get definitely get the remainder as 28. So on computation of this part, we'll definitely be getting the remainder as 28. So 19 to the power 3 mod 28, 19 to the power 3 mod 33, the answer will be 28. That is this part. So I'm not making the computation because in the next video I'll be showing a shortcut on how to compute, because 19 to the power 3 you can manually calculate, because sometimes we may get value as 19 to the power 7 or 20 to the power 6 or something like that, this kind of values. So in such type of situation, now if you go on computing, if you go on multiplying, it will take a lot of time. So in this kind of situation, so how to use shortcut trick, so which theorem to use to calculate the modulus easily, I'll be showing it in the next video. So for this video, you calculate it manually. 19 to the power 3, you multiply 19 3 times and then you divide it with 33, you will be getting the remainder. So definitely will be getting the remainder as 28. So I hope you understood, means what was taught now you understood well. So basically this is a question on crypto system. So this type of questions are, means in the previous year also this type of questions are asked, because these are having a few number of steps. You can also be asked the value of parameter d instead of e, or you can be also asked means how after decryption what is the message, means whether we are getting the plain text or not. So many questions are possible. So kindly go to the video properly and have concentration while watching, means such type of means conversion of equations. So hope you like this video. Do like and share the channel, and please do also means join our Telegram and WhatsApp group, so that you can send several questions to us and we can means put it as a video to solve them. So hope you like this video. Thank you.